Everyone, in today's video we will see how to share the GTA 6 with friends and family account on PS5 and Xbox Series SX game sharing guide. So first, how to share the GTA 6 with friends and family account on PS5 and Xbox Series SX. You can share Grand Theft Auto 6 with the friends and family across two consoles by utilizing the native console sharing feature on PlayStation 5 and the My Home Xbox features on Xbox Series SX. So, how to share the game GTA 6 on PS5? To share your digital copy of GTA 6 with a friend or family member on a second PS5, you must set their console as your account primary device. The step 1, actions on your friend's PS5. So press the PS button on the controller and set add user. Then log into the PlayStation network, the PSN account that purchased GTA 6. Now navigate to settings and then click on user and account. Now select others, then click on select console sharing and offline play. Then click on enable and now go to the game library and find GTA 6 and start the download. Now step 2, play the game. Your friend can switch back to their personal PSN account and play GTA 6 with their own saves and trophies. So you look back into your own PS5 and play GTA 6 normally using your account. You must remain connected to the internet to verify your digital licenses. Now how to the game share GTA 6 on Xbox Series X-S. So to share your digital copy of GTA 6 on Xbox, you must the designate your friends or family member console as your account home Xbox. Step 1, action on your Xbox, friend Xbox. So press the Xbox button to open the guide and go to profile and system. Now select add or switch add new. Now log into the Microsoft or Xbox account that owns the GTA 6. Now navigate to settings, then click on general, then click on personalization. Then select my home Xbox. Then check the box or select make this my home Xbox. And then go to my games and app and then full library. Now look for GTA 6 and install it. The step 2, play the game. Your friend can play GTA 6 straight from their own profile on the console. You can log back into your personal Xbox account, the console, and you will be able to play GTA 6 simultaneously, provided you are logged in online. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the critical rules and restriction. The mutual sharing. If you want to play each other games, simply repeat the exact same step in reverse on your own console. The account security. Only share details with trusted individuals as game sharing requires given them your primary account login credential. So now the Xbox switch limit. Xbox limit how many times you can switch your home Xbox to 5 times per year. Now the console platform limit, the cross platform limit. You cannot game share between a PS5 and Xbox Series XS. Both players must be within the same console family. Thank you. Goodbye.